Did you know snoring can be harmful to your health? It's not just an annoyance to those who share your sleeping quarters. Snoring can actually have significant health implications. Here are 10 reasons why snoring is bad for your health. One of the most immediate effects of snoring is frequent sleep disruptions. Snoring can interrupt your sleep, leaving you feeling tired during the day and struggling to concentrate. Your body and mind crave rest, and when they don't get it, you feel the effects. The second reason is the increased risk of obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. Snoring is a major symptom of this serious condition that causes your breathing to repeatedly stop and start while you're asleep. The third reason, closely tied to the first two, is daytime sleepiness. Because of the sleep interruptions caused by snoring and possible OSA, you may find yourself feeling excessively sleepy throughout the day. This can impair your judgment and increase the risk of accidents. The fourth reason is the strain snoring can put on relationships. Sharing a room with a chronic snorer can significantly disrupt a partner's sleep, impacting both your relationship and overall quality of life. Fifth, snoring can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Especially when linked to OSA, snoring can put strain on your cardiovascular system, leading to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. The sixth reason is headaches. Waking up with a headache can often be a result of disrupted sleep and lower oxygen levels in your blood due to snoring. The seventh reason is irritability and mood swings. Chronic sleep deprivation, often caused by snoring, can significantly affect your mood, making you more irritable, short-tempered, and prone to mood swings. The eighth reason is a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. Studies have linked habitual snoring and OSA to an increased risk of developing this condition, possibly due to associated hormonal changes and weight gain. The ninth reason is frequent nighttime urination. Snoring can disrupt your sleep patterns and hormone production, leading to an increased need to urinate at night. And finally, the 10th reason why snoring is bad for your health is weight gain. Sleep deprivation can alter the hormones that control hunger and appetite, making you more likely to overeat, which can lead to weight gain. If you suspect your snoring is severe or might be related to obstructive sleep apnea, it's important to consult your doctor for a diagnosis and potential treatment options. So remember, snoring is not just a nuisance. It can be a sign of more serious health issues. Don't ignore the snore.